Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Gunn and you're watching Free the Gun Zone.
Hey!
See, Spencer, no! Do you want to go back and go around?
Yeah, cover me.
Gotcha.
Go back.
Watch your head.
Sit.
Set.
Set. For my last known, we only had 2 other people on the left side
Oh, careful there.
heading in that direction now.
Who you with?
Hit! Cool.
Ready to move?
Yeah. You want to go this way? We're on the left flank.
We were on the left flank. Let's head that way.
We gotta stay consistent. Shoot you in the butt.
No,
Where's my pistol?
please don't.
Are you loaded? Is there a round in the chamber?
Actually, no.
It's alright. You don't have to put on the safety. It's fine.
I did.
You did?
See that? Oh, I thought I did.
Oh! Shh, Spencer.
Yeah, Kevin. You're the one yelling.
Well, let's move. Let's go quick. Come on.
Come on, I gotta button up my crap.
Just shove your pistol down in there deeper.
Well, I'll do that too.
Will it fire if I pull the trigger?
Yes.
Oh, that'll be exciting.
Please don't.
Do I make you uncomfortable?
Yes. Ah, Kevin, no. Oh my gosh, Kevin.
You got him?
For possible contact all the way over here. Alright. If you guys can, if you make your way through, probably go back a little bit. And we'll try to take them out going that way.
I'm moving to the left. Yep. See this tree right here in front of us? Right at my 12.
The one that's kind of
I'm going for that. Friendly.
so
This is a fun idea. Shh. Spencer, quiet. Stealth mode. Just get him.
Hit!
Shoot, Spencer, your gun sucks. Shoot. Hit! Spitzer?
Watch your head.
I don't think we did stealth mode very well last time. I'm gonna lay down in this bush right here. Hold on. Dang it!
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and show me by clicking the like and subscribe buttons underneath, and I will see you next time.